Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there was a farmer named Mr. Johnson. He had 3 sons, Tom, Jack, and Ben. Mr. Johnson was getting old, and he wanted to pass on his farm to one of his sons. But he wanted to test them first. One sunny morning, Mr. Johnson called his sons to him. "My dear sons," he said, "I will give each of you a small piece of land. You must grow the best crops you can. The son with the best harvest will inherit the farm." The boys were excited but also a bit nervous. They all loved their father and wanted to make him proud. Mr. Johnson gave Tom, the eldest son, a plot of land with fertile soil. Jack, the middle son, received a plot with rocky soil, while Ben, the youngest, got a plot with sandy soil. The brothers started working hard. Tom planted traditional crops like wheat and corn. Jack tried new methods, like using special fertilizers and modern tools. Ben focused on planting drought-resistant crops, suitable for sandy soil. Months passed, and the crops began to grow. Tom's crops looked healthy, but they were not as vibrant as Jack's, which grew faster due to the special fertilizers. Ben's crops, although small, showed signs of resilience against the dry soil. As the harvest season approached, Mr. Johnson visited each plot to inspect the crops. The suspense grew as the brothers waited for their father's decision. Finally, the day of judgment arrived. Mr. Johnson gathered his sons and said, "I have seen your hard work and dedication. Each of you has done well in your own way." The brothers held their breath, waiting for their father to announce the heir to the farm. Mr. Johnson paused for a moment, creating a sense of anticipation. "Tom, your crops are sturdy and reliable," he began. Tom's heart raced with excitement. "Jack, your innovative methods have produced impressive results," Mr. Johnson continued, acknowledging Jack's efforts. "Ben, your ability to adapt to difficult conditions is remarkable," Mr. Johnson added, smiling at Ben. The suspense reached its peak as Mr. Johnson looked at each son with pride. "But," he said, drawing out the moment, "the farm will not go to just one of you." The brothers looked at each other in confusion. Mr. Johnson smiled warmly. "The farm will belong to all 3 of you. Together, you have shown the importance of hard work, innovation, and resilience. These qualities will ensure the farm's success for generations to come." The brothers cheered with joy, realizing that their unity and diverse skills were their greatest strength. And so, the Johnson farm flourished under the collective efforts of Tom, Jack, and Ben. Their story taught everyone that unity, hard work, and innovation can lead to a golden harvest of success and happiness.